Hello everyone, today we are making a card holder tutorial. First, we cut these frames 2 times, this layering time 2 times, and this piece 2 times, and this piece 1 time. We will use this tag. Now let's fold the frame paper. Fold all the lines. Well, let's fold the other piece. Two pieces folded, later we will stick them together. Now cut this piece. Now cut this piece. Now stick the decorative layer. We are making a Christmas themed card holder. The pink paper is very lovely. This is card holder's back. We decorated also. Both big frames are done. Then we're sticking this to inside of the holder. This is the outside and this is the inside. Adding this decorative layer. The inside is done. Decorate the flap. There we go, both pieces are done. Now we can combine the holder. We use narrow double-sided tape. To stick these 3 sides. All 3 sides with tapes. Then press them together. This middle part is for cards. There, the card holder is finished. This is $5. It can hold cash too. It's pretty, it's perfect. Now let's decorate it with this tag. Let's add some sentiments. There we go. Use foam tape to stick the tag. This tag is for greeting words. It also can be a fasten. Okay, we try money. It's perfect. Very nice. Just like this to hold the flap with the tag. Okay, let's try it with a card. Perfect size, excellent. Hold the flap. Very nice. We have also made up a few styles. This is a purple color. It's beautiful. This one is showcase shaped with these parts included in this set. Let's see with card. So cute. It's also for Christmas. And this green one is also for Christmas. This color is great for men too. Thank you. Bye.